Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to. Why do we always miss the chat? What is going on with Streamlabs lately? We got Nick at first in the chat. JD, what's happening, man? Moji, JD, we got Yankee. All of you guys with these E's at the end. Honorary emoji, Yankee, Kiali'i. What's going on, man? Yankee, Kombu, Adrian, Moji, Kombu, Kenbro, Giovanni. All of you guys. So glad to have you in here so far. Let's check the market out and see what's going on. We have AMC. In the top left-hand side of the screen, $4.91. AMC actually looking pretty good. I think it was testing above $5 earlier today. Yep, 504 right there. Back down to $4.91 though. AMC sitting up 2.19% on the day. Shiba Inu coin, man, back up here testing 1,000 points per coin. Shiba Inu coin at 995 points per coin. It tested just above 1,000 for a couple minutes here. Came back down, got rejected off that level as Bitcoin began to fall down. And of course, Bitcoin and Shiba Inu coin bouncing back right now. 994 points per coin. GameStop, 1432. GameStop down just 0.66% on the day today. Bitcoin, $52,305, man. This is ridiculous. Bitcoin testing 53,000 this morning. All right, now you do have a little bit of a doji candle on the screen. I don't know if it's going to close the doji or not, but what we do have is a testing of $53,000. Dude, you got to go all the way back to December. No, where are we at here? We might be, yeah, beginning of December to test these. Is it beginning? Yeah. 53,000, man. The first week of December is the last time we were touching these levels here. And of course, that was falling off 3 weeks after the $69,000 levels. So Bitcoin is 3 weeks away from touching all-time highs, according to the chart in 2021. Bitcoin is showing mad strength right now. And I do hope that it gets back up there. A lot of guys are saying please be very careful in March. You might see some sort of a pullback because of the dollar liquidity issues. But nonetheless, man, Bitcoin is looking phenomenal. The NASDAQ pulling back a little bit today. The overall market down 0.23%. Dogecoin sitting at 8.5 cents right now. It is the only purple cryptocurrency, the only red cryptocurrency on the screen. And it's at 8.5 cents. Ethereum 28.34. Holy smokes, man. Ethereum showing crazy strength on this daily chart as well. Ethereum touching levels that it hasn't seen, man, since early 2022. Ethereum coming down from $3,500 per coin down to the current levels of $2,800 per coin back in the early stages of 2022. So Ethereum is looking very strong as well. You've got Shiba Inu coin, 1,000 points per coin, man. Shiba Inu coin hasn't seen 1,000 points per coin since, January. Since last month. Shiba Inu coin is not currently on the same trajectory as Bitcoin and Ethereum, but nonetheless, the strength over the last couple of days has been very nice to see as Shiba Inu coin is reattempting levels of resistance as opposed to the levels of support that it kept testing over the last couple of weeks here. Bitcoin, 52,300. The SPY, 499. We've got QQQ, 432. Molinado, up 7% to $7.59. Sundial, $1.43. Netflix, 586. Highcroft Mining, 209. MPW, looking pretty good. 5% gain today, $3.88. Tesla, $195, up 3% on the day. Amazon, $168. And Apple, $182. Amazon and Apple getting hit pretty hard today, but we're going to watch Bitcoin down on the bottom left-hand side of the screen, and hopefully we watch it move higher. Now let's see what we got going on in the chat. Lunk up 17% of the day so far. JD, is it really, dude? I haven't even looked at the price of Terra Luna Classic this morning. Let's see where Terra Luna Classic is sitting here. Oh, nice, man. Terra Luna Classic breaking through resistance at 12,500 points per coin. And Terra Luna Classic sitting at 17.80% gains, 1370 right now. 13,700 points per coin. Terra Luna Classic actually looking very good. And dude, I mean, this is what happens, right? We came back up. This is the 12,500 point per coin level of resistance. Look what happens when it breaks it. Boom, dude. It breaks right through. This is that door that I was talking about, hitting with a battering ram. Boom, when it splits open, it just pours in. So, yeah, Terra Luna Classic doing very, very nice to rip through that level of resistance right there and move on nicely higher. So, very, very cool for Terra Luna Classic today. I do like the fact that it is up 18+%. Clay, remember when you checked Unidex AI, it crashed, and I was trying to decide to buy more and didn't. It jumped back up. Not all the way. No, no, no. Holy smokes, man. Now, something doesn't necessarily seem right about that jump, though. I mean, I guess it would be. You know what I'm wondering, Giovanni? I'm wondering if CoinMarketCap stopped following the old Unidex and put the chart on for the new one. I'm going to look at that in a second, right after I say, Honorarium! Thank you very much for the super chat. Things are about to heat up, baby. Let's go to the moon. Honorarium, man. Did CoinMarketCap ever get back to you? I'm excited because I want CoinMarketCap to list Honorarium, and I want to know if they ever got back to you, man. It's absolutely awesome. I know it's going to happen. We just got to wait and see when it happens. But Honorarium, very, very cool. Things are about to heat up, and when they do heat up, gains, baby. Yes, man. Yo, I just saw a chart when Bitcoin was 28,000 and Shib was 9s. I like it still is now. Yeah, Bender. It's true, man. It's true. Shiba Inu coin has not experienced the same level of gains that Bitcoin and Ethereum have. Yes, they did. Everything is a go. New invoice. We're set. Honorarium. Very good, man. Very, very good. Hopefully, we're able to reach that level by the time or before the expiration date of that new invoice there. Let's see. Oh, I want to check this out real quick. Because I have a feeling that CoinMarketCap just started tracking the new contract address. 718, I imagine that this is going to be trading at 718 here. Okay? Yep. 718. Now, when we were looking at it yesterday, I think it was right here. Right? It was in this area right here. So technically, if you would have kept watching it after the live stream yesterday, I think you would have been able to get in at about 480-ish at the lowest. Or, of course, you could have got in at $5. And you would be sitting up about, I don't know, what is that? 40 to 50% gain, depending on what price you got in at. I think that's what CoinMarketCap's doing, though, Giovanni. I don't think that this is a legitimate jump back up. I think that they connected the new contract address to this graph right here, and this is just gonna have some stupid little dip that should not be there. That's my best guess. OXCE. Yeah. Because, see, look, they're telling you that this is the contract address right here. OXCE3E. This is the, look, new updated contract address is OXCE3E, ending F568, ending F568. So they're already showing you the price for the new contract here. I don't know what the old contract was, and I don't know if we'd be able to look it up. All right, that's the new one again. I don't know if we'd be able to find the old one or not, but I imagine the old one is still down here at a few cents. Everybody basically just getting wrecked, losing all of their money, and everybody acting like nothing happened, man, and you're just supposed to buy back in at these $5 levels after losing your entire investment. Like, how does that make any sense? To me, it does not make any sense, but that's what they got going on. Let's see where Troll's at. Let's Troll's up 20% today. We got a lot of happy people in the chat right now. This is coming back down. Okay, this is coming back down into my support area, and if it does hit down there, I will be adding some of this token to my portfolio. But it has been doing very nice over the last couple of weeks since its introduction, and I would love to get it down here. So I'm going to keep my eyes on it and see what happens with it. But yeah, man, $200,000 in liquidity, $2 million market cap. I think this bad boy can come back down to a $1 million market cap, and I'm going to be adding it to my portfolio. So if you guys are interested in that one, we're going to keep an eye on that one as well. Heck yeah, Dark Bro. Very good, man. Clear Bro, look at Bender's message again. He said Bitcoin was 28,000. Yeah, he said he was looking at a chart when Bitcoin was 28,000 and Shiba Inu coin was in the 900 points per coin. Not that it's in 28,000 now. It was at 28,000 and Shib was at 900. Bitcoin's at 50,000 now and Shib is still at 900 points per coin. Thanks for the heads up on Dex Tools. I like the charts. Maurice, man, very good. Girlfriend left me my birthday gift at the door this morning. I don't know what that means, Giovanni, but happy birthday. Giovanni, is it your birthday, man? Is it your birthday? I want to sing happy birthday to you if it's your birthday, man. Japan has been in a recession for 30 years. Nothing new. Has Japan really been in a recession for 30 years? Yeah, I think you're right on the new contract. That's what it looks like to me. Claybro, added the most Roth positions and opened to IWMY position. It's 650, 6.5 shares in the Discord. I don't know if I have that open. Oh, I do have it open. Look at that. I don't even have to reopen it. Man, oh man, I'm doing great. Very nice. Frank, he's got an update of his portfolio right there. QQQY taking the top spot and TSLY taking the bottom spot. Very nice, Frank. It looks like a good distribution, man. And hopefully, Frank, what kind of dividends you rolling with? Still over $600 a month in dividends? Watched an old video and it had Bitcoin at 28,000 and it showed Shib as the same price it is right now. What I was getting at is absolutely no growth in Shib. Yeah, Bender. Definitely, man. The CBDC token is ripping. Genius name. Yeah, I saw that. I don't think I'm going to buy into that, but CBDC is doing very well, man. 390,000% gains. What the heck, man? Let's look at a 5-minute chart here. Golly, dude. All right, well, it is triple topping at this, like, $7 million market cap, so watch out for that. $8 million market cap, maybe. Tabbing it yesterday, tabbing it today, getting ready to tab it and get rejected again. And then the overall ascending trend line has also begun to fade out. So it had a crazy, crazy graph. Come on. See, this is what I'm talking about that I don't like when it refreshes. It had some crazy growth right there. And you can see it was using it as a higher low level, and then it began using it as a higher high level. And since then, has slowed down greatly. So this may be the new ascending trend line. You have to keep your eyes on that right there, touching this low, this low, this low, this low, and so on. If that one is also broken, I guess you got maybe one last little... Oh, my goodness. Come on, Dex. You got one last little horizontal line back here. Of course, if you fall through this level, you know, you might be coming all the way back down to 4 zeros and a 2. And nobody wants to see you go from 4 zeros and a 6 to 4 zeros and a 2. So CBDC token is doing very, very well over the last 24 hours. Up 388,000%, man. My gosh. Moji! Thank you very much for the member chat. Moji says, been a minute. Clay, you're getting old. Still going strong, baby. Missing Miss Pika. Q, mask and shaker. Not a full one, but we got ourselves up. This is the Pika. This is the new Pika call. La Pika Pika. La Pika Pika. La Pika 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 Pika. La Pika 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 Pika. Yes, where is Pika? We need Pika back in the chat ASAP. What did I just drop? We need Pika back in the chat ASAP. Moji, go find Pika P, please. Pika Pika Pika? Yes, where Pika? Congrats, Mosevsky. Mosevsky with 27 months of bro. Loving it, Moji. Thank you very... And Moji, did you see there's a Moji cryptocurrency out there? I don't know if you were in here yesterday or not when we looked at it, but look at this. Moji, dude, right here. No, I don't think it's 6 months old, is it? Dang, man. Smog looking good once again. Smog going back from... Did it dip below 2? Smog looking great after coming back down and testing... Yeah, 2 cents. Having a very strong run over the last couple of days, sitting at 6.5 cents right now. I forget who was asking if Smog could go back up to 6 cents. Smog certainly went back up to 6 cents, so Smog looking good there. But let's look up Moji. Dude, I swear it was not this old, and I thought it was on the Solana network. Here it is. Oh, Moji getting wrecked today. Moji, you had a very, very nice gain yesterday. You were ripping up in this beautiful trend line. You dropped down through the trend line, Moji. And now you're back down to a $29,000 market cap. Moji, man, what are you doing to us here? You got new support way, way, way down here at these current levels, which are basically where you were... I can't do it. This is basically where you were introduced, Moji. So you lost steam, and you lost steam quick, man. Question is, are you going to get a second leg? Are you going to get a second chance at life? And are you going to, from the current levels, what is this, 4 zeros and a 2? My goodness, dude. 50x gains to get back up to these highs that you were testing yesterday. Moji, can you make it, man? Can you make it? Mog or Moji coin. That's what I want to know. Can Moji make it after dying out like that? Hey, look at VeChain. I've not seen VeChain today, old rounder. Let's check it out. Where's my cup? Moji, gotta get it, man. Shib, sell all and buy honorarium. Not financial advice. Dude, it might make a lot of sense. It might make a lot of sense ahead of a CoinMarketCap listing. Let's see. Oh, it's now 550% up. Look into D-Cloud. Marcus, let's look it up right quick after we say honorarium. Whoa. That whole wall's about to fall down. Honorarium, man. Thank you very much. Oh man, I forgot this chair has a footrest that comes out. Honorarium, thank you very much for the super chat. Does that mean that Honorarium is about to go on a run? Yes, it does. Honorarium, thank you very much for that. We got to look at D-Cloud, and we got to look at VeChain. So let's pull up VeChain first. Since it was first to be talked about here. VeChain up 30%. This is a big coin too. 30% gains today to a 3.2 billion. Guys, that means it gained $1 billion in market cap today. Wow, man. And it makes sense because it's seeing $600 million in volume. Look, I don't know what VeChain's got going on right now. But, dude, ripping back up to 4 cents. Man. That might not be too bad. After touching 1.5 cents, it has essentially tripled in value over the last couple of months. And hopefully it does go up to test those 20+ cent highs, dude. But, yeah, I did not know that VeChain was ripping 20% or 30% today on $608 million in volume. And, dude, a $1 billion increase in market cap. Like, that's the crazy part. That's the crazy part, that you're seeing a $1 billion market cap increase in VeChain. This is not some little token that is up 28% and it gained, $20,000 in market cap. That's a $1 billion increase. That's a $1 billion increase in the market cap there. Decloud, not Decloud. Decloud up for, it's been 7 days. Wow, man. Up 500% today. Holy smokes. Look at this daily chart. Wow. See, this is an interesting one right here. Major volume coming in to shoot this coin literally from 3 zeros and a 3 to 2 zeros and a 3. This coin 10x'd, 1,000% gain in the last 48 hours on a massive spike in volume. $1 million, $927,000 traded over the last 24 hours. That is, that's a crazy gain to a little tiny $2 million market cap. 751 holders. These guys are doing very well so far. So, yeah, dude, thanks for bringing Decloud to our attention as well. Getting a massive move higher today. Sold all my Swift coin, Jasmine, XRP, and some other Ethereum tokens and pushed it all into Bitcoin. Biggable Coke, man. Bitcoin is what's running right now. Bitcoin is the mover right now. I'm going to be just open with you. Everything I have read says that Bitcoin is going to be experiencing a pullback in March. I don't know if these guys are going to be correct or not, but just be very careful in March, okay? If you start to see a major pullback and you're up on your position, don't let it go negative. You could simply get out and get back in at that point. But everything I have read says analysts expect a pullback in March because of dollar liquidity issues. Hey bro, oldies but goodies. Joby and ACHR looking good. Joby just got FAA certification for propulsion a week ago. Joby, man, we haven't looked at that one in quite some time. Let's see where Joby is at and if it's been doing okay. Bitcoin pulling back a little bit, 52,100, but put it in perspective, guys. It's still relatively small candles compared to just the pump that we had over a 10-minute period back here. Joby, this one used to be on the list, but we took it off. Joby Aviation up 1% today, not doing too bad. But bouncing off those recent lows, man, 550 back up to 630. So that's a decent gain. And if they've got the news to back it up, dude, it could be going on a nice little run like they had back here. And you watch that $6 turn back into $12. Now that would be nice. And this was the ascending trend line that we were watching. So we had Joby back on the chart in mid-2023. And of course we were watching it here. And guys, this is the beauty of technical analysis, right? Look what happened when it finally broke that ascending trend line. The ascending trend line started back here, and it stayed above it. And look, it breaks down through that ascending trend line. That's your first signal. Breaks down through the moving average, okay? This moving average goes below that moving average. Your 13 falls below the 48, and look what happens from there, especially after breaking down through this horizontal resistance, or horizontal support as well. Trended lower for a while. Found support down here at $4.80, $5 per share, where this line was. Resistance, 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 broke through. Resistance, resistance, broke through. Resistance, coming back down here. So, yeah, man, this technical analysis is playing out pretty well, actually, on Joby there. ACHR. Archer Aviation. All right, now I don't know what these guys have going on, but they do have a similar chart to Joby. They've maintained those gains that happened back in May of 2023. They've maintained those gains a little bit better than Joby had. So Archer going from $1.77 to $7 per share, but they've maintained levels in the $4 to $5 range off those $7 highs instead of dropping back down to $5 off the $12 highs. So Archer and Joby, if you guys are into aviation stocks, you got two on your list right there that you can keep your eyes on. And Shiba Inu coin, man, testing 1,000 points per coin here. Can the bulls push it through? I'm happy I got into AMC at those 360 lows. What a fun ride. San Francisco 49ers, are you going to take your profit? Or are you going to let Adam Aaron smash you into the ground even further and move it down to 260 lows instead of the 360 lows? A VThor token is crazy right now. What's the news? KLEE. I don't know what the news is. Let's try to check it out. Wow, VThor's up 112% today. Accidentally closed my Coinbase. Well, and I can't find my recovery phrase in my safe. Can I recover it? Giovanni, that part I do not know, okay? I don't think that, man, if you didn't have it saved in your phone anywhere and you literally had it written down in your safe, I don't know of a way to recover a Coinbase wallet because it's a DeFi wallet, man. It's your keys, your crypto at that point. I've never been in that situation, so if anybody knows, please let Gio. Oh, he found it. Oh, good. Never mind. False alarm. Giovanni's messing with us. Oh, jeez. VThor real quick. Let's check out VThor real quick. VeChain. VThor. All of the V's are ripping today. Dang, man. 100% gain. $200 million being created over here in VThor today. Wow, golly bomb, dude. Look at this weekly chart. 002 to 006, man. That month is crazy, too. The year is crazy on VThor. Dang, man. Testing some beautiful levels of resistance at 006 here. 30x possibilities to get back up to these all-time highs would be very nice. Man, this is one that dropped down heavy. $40 million market cap. Currently 10xing to sit on a $450 million market cap. Man, that is nice, dude. 11x gains to come back up to these levels. And it could even double in price to get back up to these all-time high market caps here. So keep your eye on VThor, man. VThor looking solid at the moment. And VThor could be 2xing, 3xing to get back up to these all-time high levels. So, and you guys can't see a single thing, man. No. What are your thoughts on the EV TOL market going forward? Do you see it being a new public transit system? I don't even know what EV TOL is, man. What is TOL? Let's look it up. Why can't Honorarium do that? Honorarium can do that, Moji. It can do that. Let's see. What is EVTOL? Oh. Yeah, I've looked into this before. Dude, I don't know, man. I don't know. In terms of, like, deliveries, I do think that you could get deliveries, right? And that could be something that we do see in the future. But as far as, like, just vertical takeoff and revolutionizing airports and stuff, I don't know if it's really going to be the future of air travel. I mean, I might be wrong on it, but as far as an industry is concerned, I do think things like that in terms of deliveries, yeah, you can see stuff. But people taking taxis or taking private planes and so on, I'm gonna probably say no. I don't know if we get things cheap enough for people. Instead of taking an Uber, you're literally flying from one destination to the next. Rule Britannia, thank you, from Ohio. Giovanni, make backups, take pictures, do a Xerox, put it somewhere else you know it's safe. That is what I do. Biggable Coke, and that is not a bad idea. You can never be too safe, man. I was scared. Took a picture of my password for next time. There you go, Giovanni. But I'll tell you this, man. They do say don't take a picture of your seed phrase. Now, that's just because they don't want people getting your phone or hacking your phone, or if you lose your phone and you got a picture in there, somebody can find that picture and so on. So they literally want you to take like a Polaroid picture of it, right? I want you to take a Polaroid picture of it and keep it off chain. Now, clearly somebody can steal a Polaroid picture the same way that they can steal your phone, but they want you to be as safe as possible, man. Richard, yeah, dude, Terra Luna Classic is actually looking very good today. Terra Luna Classic breaking back up. We already had it on here. Terra Luna Classic breaking back up through that 12,500 point per coin level and ripping. What is this, man? What do we care about Do Kwon with his little smile? Do Kwon has nothing to do with Terra Luna Classic. Why is he even on the screen right now? Makes no sense. But yeah, Terra Luna Classic up 18% today. A very nice gain in Lunk. And that is beautiful to see, man. So I know a lot of people excited about Terra Luna Classic's gain today. Thoughts on Digibyte? Rule Britannia, man. Let's look at Digibyte. I don't know what Digibyte is. Take a picture of my other passwords, like my MetaMask, my Trust Wallet. There you go. Keep those pictures safe as well, man. Eric Marquise, let's go crypto. Let's go crypto. Eric, absolutely, man. What are we looking at? Digibyte. This is like Digimon, digital monsters. Digimon. Digital monsters. Blah, 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 blah. Oh, let's see. Digibyte. Dude, everything is looking good today. Everything is looking good today. Digibyte up 7%. It's 12% on the week. The month is okay after these little dips that it had. Trying to make its way back on the year. Dude, Digibyte's got some huge potential. And Digibyte's been around, man. This is an interesting one, man. Digibyte has been around for a very long time. Did phenomenally during the 2017 bull market. Did even better during the 2021 bull market. And sitting down here at about a cent right now. Yeah, dude. Digibyte not looking bad based on potential here. Surviving really three. The altcoin, for the altcoin to survive from 2013 forward. That's not bad at all, man. I mean, you can get it all over the place, too. Binance, KuCoin, Bing, Bitmart. It's all over KuCoin. It's even on Binance, man. Yeah, so Digibyte doesn't look like a bad position since it has survived two brutal bear markets there. I don't know if it gets back up to those 2021 highs or not, man, but yeah, Digibyte looking pretty solid. Hey, Glay, what's your opinion on Paul Chain and Bad Idea AI? Well, so Adrian, man, I think Paul Chain. Let's look up the graph for Paul Chain. I haven't seen it in a while. But Paul Chain's got a lot of very high ambitions, and if they're able to achieve them, I think they're going to be doing extremely well. This one. I think they're going to be doing extremely well with their multi-chain capabilities. Okay? So Paul Chain is one. The community is awesome. The community has been nothing but welcoming. And where are these guys at in terms of price? Actually maintaining these levels that they've had since the end of 2023, which is good. If they fall back down, you've got your major support levels down here at way too many zeros and a 1. It's basically a 60% decline from the current level, so watch out. But yeah, dude, if they're able to accomplish what they set out to do, you're going to be very, very well off. Now, I believe Paul Chain is people from the former ecosystem team trying to make a go of it for the Shiba Inu coin ecosystem team, I should say. So, if you believe that they can accomplish it, absolutely. If not, well, I mean, you can still invest in the hype. In Bad Idea AI, dude, I don't really care too much for Bad Idea AI. I don't believe in the current ecosystem team for Shiba Inu coin. And this token has really just been promoted because they were given a lot of tokens. And they ran it up nicely in price back here. I don't know if the ecosystem team still holds or not, but they're down 90% from these levels. Will they get back up here? I don't know, man. There's a lot of hype in this gain right here surrounding Shibarium. And then, of course, we know what Shibarium has become. And Bad Idea AI has continued to come back down. So, because I don't necessarily believe and invest in the ecosystem team surrounding Shiba Inu coin, I do not plan on and do not hold any Bad Idea AI. So, that's up to you if you want to invest in them. But I would rather have Paul than Bad Idea. What's up, Kleber? What's going on, Mr. Guerrero? How are ya? Man, Crypto app really upset me. They put that Lunk node out when they were removing it and wouldn't respond to questions, thus forcing many to sell like myself, now only going up. Sean, man, that is very strange, the lack of communication they had. But, yeah, dude, Crypto.com saying that they were delisting Terra Luna Classic. And then I think they delayed the delisting of Terra Luna Classic. But here Terra Luna Classic is bouncing back up nicely from those 9,000 point per coin lows that it recently touched to the current... Oh, already looked at too many. To the current levels of 13,750 points per coin. So Terra Luna Classic is bouncing back very nicely today. And it's seeing 20% gains, man. A lot of people missing out on 20% gains today. Bobby by Ape is running 300%. What is Bobby by Ape, man? Let's look it up. Dokwan. Yeah, exactly. I'm 2x at the moment. Adrian, very, very nice, dude. Very nice. And people wonder why ladies no longer hang out here. Vulgar locker room talk. Grow up. Do it, man. I sense the need for moderation, so I'm here. Pudgy came in right in time. I guess oblivious to it emoji is something you're deleting right away. Could be Mod Squad in the house. Dude, it's so fast, I don't even see it. But I'm not going to lie. Once I start going off on a little tangent and I don't look at the chat for a minute, you guys probably do have plenty of time to let me miss things. Now, what was I going to look up here? Oh, Bobby by Ape. Bobby by Ape is what we were going to be looking at. Bobby by Bot. Bobby by Ape, man. What is this? Oh, jeez. Is it this one? Yeah. Yeah, sure is. Holy smokes, dude. What is going on here? What is going on here, man? Look at... Okay, as far as I know, this token just came out, right? Bobby by Ape. As far as I know, this token just came out 15, 20 minutes ago. There's been more than 8 transactions. I can see there's more than 8 here. But, dude, look at these transactions, right? First one, 11,000. Different wallet comes in with 8,000. Okay, 8,000. Another wallet, 7,700. Another wallet, 9,000. Another wallet, 7,800. 7,100 from a different wallet. 8,300. What is going on, man? OX40. I don't even see where this wallet held this coin. Oh, OX40C here. This guy bought 9,400. Already sold 66. These guys are saying it's a honeypot, though. All right. These guys are probably trying to get this coin trending. There you go. In real time. In real time. I mean, you guys saw that on the screen, right? Oh my goodness, dude. Bought and sold. Back in. Ken Bro. We may have just watched Ken Bro get wrecked. Oh jeez, dude. Hey, did we just witness Ken Bro get wrecked in real time, or what was happening here? Ken Bro bought and sold and back in. We actually need much igno at this point. We do, man. It's called Clay Bro, not Clay Sisters. Yes, that is true, man. Let's see here. What is... I mean, like... Down 100%. Dude. This dude just dumped $148,000. Oh, boy. Did he even buy in? OXDA2. I don't even think they bought in, man. That was probably like the liquidity pool address. Dang. Well, this token's probably done already. Now, I don't know if this is Ken or not, okay? But I'm under the assumption that this would have been the only money that they would have been able to attract. All right? So I'm not exactly sure. But I'm under the assumption that this is the only money they were able to attract. Because all of these transactions, these are not normal transactions, man. People aren't coming in with $15,000, you know, $11,000, $8,000, $7,000, $9,000, $7,000, $7,000. This is normal right here. And I don't know if this is Ken's wallet or not, but this is normal. This is a normal purchase. All of the rest of them, I don't think were normal. And then these guys dump off $148,000 in real time. Yeah, man, that's absolutely ridiculous, man. Attempted pump and dump, and they dumped it right there. 100% dump in real time happening. Ken Bro. Hopefully, you survived it, man. We haven't seen Ken Bro in here in a while. Yo, bros, what's going on? Shayna, glad to have you. Oops, spoke too soon. Roulette wheel, right. There's a literal roulette wheel there for you. Any of those tokens on BNB with only 1 million total supply, always check for honeypot and rug pulls using a rug check function. Yep, that one right there had a 1 million token supply. It went up and immediately rugged. I used to gamble a lot. Stay away from gambling, and I stick to investing. Trading can be gambling, okay? Trading can be gambling. Investing is something much different. So, roulette wheel, I feel you on that. Can't call me a liar. Pudgy, wouldn't even want to, man. Wouldn't even want to. Why is it all collapsing? Absolutely devastated here at the moment. Mr. Murphy. Are you talking about the crypto market, or are you just talking about Bobby Buy Apecoin? Because Bobby Buy Apecoin was just rug pulled. Bobby Buy Apecoin was just rugged, so I could see why that's collapsing, but I don't see anything else collapsing right now. He goes, ha, gotcha. Yeah, hey, Pat, you made me click over. I know you saw that. You made me click over here to see if stuff was collapsing. Oh, jeez. You little clickbait. You little clickbaiter. This dude got me to click over onto Weeble to make sure everything wasn't collapsing. Oh, jeez. Pat, I don't know why you guys got to play me like that sometimes. Hello from Morocco. Please. M.I. Ondo. Water. Hello from Ohio, man. Glad to have you in here all the way from Morocco. Greetings. I am late. Just looked at Smog. Back up. 8.5. Dude, it was at 6.5 a second ago. We just looked at it at 6.5 cents. Smokes, man. What is going on? Look at these major buys. I just dropped something. Where did it go? Look at these major buys coming in on Smog, jumping back up to all-time highs, right? Yeah, dude, jump back up to all-time highs right here. We literally just looked at Smog, I don't know, 15, 20 minutes ago. And it was doing very nicely back in the 6 cent range. Oh, on 5-minute chart, not hour. And yeah, dude, doing very nice in the 6 cent range 15, 20 minutes ago. And then, boom. Yeah, selling off now. Some of these guys are taking profits. Watch out on that one. But yeah, dude, Smog. We're not gonna witness this, dude. There's no way we witness this Smog. There's no way we witness 2 dumps in the first live stream of the day today. Otherwise, Pat is going to be correct, man. Oh my gosh, we just witnessed an absolute rug, real time. In Bobby Buy Apecoin. And the sad thing is, we have not seen Kenbro in the chat since then. So, Kenbro's last statement, bought and sold, and back in. Kenbro, tell us you're out there, man. Tell us you're out there. We need to know that we need to know you're still out there, man. Because, dude, if Kenbro was one of those, like, $11,000 wallets that jumped in or something, I'm going to be sad about that one. But, yeah, Smog just now dropping an entire cent in a matter of 1 tick right there. As it seems somebody went out and sold like $70,000 worth of Smog, man. Let's see. Pat, man. Pat bringing the omens in here. Clibro, check out HRTX. Was up 145% from a $1.22 entry. Cashed out profits a week or so ago. And OG stake. Left 60% in. Now up 135% on that. That is Gucci. It's picking above April 2023 resistance as well. Gorilla, HRTX. Let's see if you're talking about stocks. All right, Heron Therapeutics, man. Heron Therapeutics. Good. I'm glad you're up. Be very careful on these therapeutics companies. They can go up. They can go down very, very quickly. But this has been on a nice rally since, what is this? Middle of November here. Going from 50 cents to $2.86. So, very nicely done, man. Getting out. I don't know. Where did you say you got out at? $1.22 entry. Very nice. Got out with some of that already. And nope. Got to click the right one here. Yep. Don't need this. And still up 100 and I think you said 35% on what you allowed to let ride. Yes, it is attempting resistance from back here in April of 2023. We must have looked at this before, dude, because we've got some lines on the chart way up here. And that may have been long-term support. We may have put that on the chart way back here when it was attempting these longer-term support lines. Of course, it fell through those levels because I don't remember looking at this stock here. But fell through those levels, and now it can be coming back up to reattempt those levels. So got a couple good things, man. On the weekly chart, your 13-period moving average is crossing above your 48-period moving average, which is very nice to see. On the weekly chart, you are attempting this level of resistance right here, like you said, back in April of 2023. And if it breaks through that, I mean, you could be testing these $3.64 levels that were major support on its way down. So, yeah, dude, Heron actually looking pretty good today and looking pretty good over the last month, man. So, congratulations on that one. Question is, Gorilla, you letting it ride? Or are you taking your profits, man? Ken, bro! Shib is going higher. Shib is going higher, though. Shib testing 1,000 points per coin. Ken is still here. Oh, thank goodness. Thank goodness. Ken, man, was it a big loss? I mean, were you one of those huge whale transactions out there? Or what? Because, yeah, dude, we just watched that rug in real time, man, which is absolutely horrible. So, that stinks, man, if you were one of those big ones. I left Shib on Valentine's Day. Voo! Thanks, Clay. I held Shiba for a few years, but now I'm done with the development team, and they're worse. Vu Lee. They are pretty bad, man. They are pretty bad. You know, if you feel like you're set free, man, excellent. Okay? And it doesn't mean, a lot of people think that you can't ever get back in. Okay? If you truly begin to believe that Shiba Inu coin is going to begin moving higher and continue moving higher, get back in. If you can't justify it to yourself, then don't get back in. But excellent job making a decision, man. I'm up on VeChain 2X. Jeffrey, dude, VeChain and VThor both soaring today. The V's are doing very well. Relaxing sounds. Clay, what do you think about Wallet? Shib, Pepe, Dogelon, Loot Milady, Bonk, and a lot of them are on pump now before the Bitcoin halving. Pepe to the moon. Relaxing sounds, man. I think all should buy before having. So relaxing sounds. To me, that definitely sounds like a more aggressive wallet, right? A lot of meme coins in there. But there's nothing wrong with an aggressive wallet, right? If that's the position you're in, high gains, high risk, high reward, that type of a mentality, that sounds like the wallet that's going to do it. It's not Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Polygon, some USD Tether, and I don't know, Cardano or something. Solana, add some of the bigger coins in there. It's definitely a more aggressive wallet than one of those. But dude, man, aggressive wallets are what rip during the peak of bull markets. So be patient, and hopefully it does pay out for you. American Cult, just RP, 35,000, swiped from buyers. Rug pull. Biggable. Another one? I don't. Am I typing it in right? I don't know if I'm typing that in right. Let's see here. It took profits, let it ride on the house. Take profits, let it ride on the house money. And there's nothing. Pudgy, that's an excellent strategy, right? When you got nothing essentially to lose in it, you are much more comfortable letting things ride and play out. Pal AI, Bender doing very, very well. Is Dark Bro here? Dark Bro is here. Yeah, shit, I'm here. I'm the phone. Can't type. Traded for V chain there or V Thor. I can always get back in later. Voo, man, especially if you're ripping on vet, man. If you're ripping on vet, you're looking very good today. Celestia hasn't moved much in the past few days. Maybe it's time for it to finally come back down, dude. Maybe it's time for it to finally come back down so I can buy in, get some Celestia, and make some money with you, Giovanni. Shane is just taking attendance out there. V-Chain sure was moving well today. Richard, man, V-Chain, V-Thor, all of the Vs moving very well today. Don't worry about Shiba. I have family members that are whales. They think it's going to $1. Voo, man, very nice. And listen, I hope that it does go up, okay? I don't think it's going to be going to $1. But I do hope that it goes up. Number one, because I own Shiba Inu coin. But number two, because I want to see people successful, man. I want to see it. What I want to see, right? You guys have been here now. The 53 of you that are in here right now, I know you guys have been here. Basically, every single day during this bear market, you guys have tasted the bull market and you're ready for the next one. What I want to see is you take advantage of the next one. But you guys have been accumulating. I know that. You own your crypto. During the next bull market, sell it. Right? Sell. It's not going to only go up forever. There will be another cycle. And then when the cycle continues, we're all 3 years smarter. We're all 3 years more experienced. That's when we can accumulate again. Not accumulating when it's at the top. Accumulating when nobody wants to touch the stuff. That's where it's at. Okay, so that's exactly what I want to see during this next bull market. Let's see. Another rug on this one. I'll check out this. I don't know why I can't pull it up, but I'll pull it up. What's Shib whale status? 500 million? Billion? What is, you know what? What is Shib whale status? What would you guys think about that? I would personally say over $1 billion gets you into, I would say, retail whale status. Now, clearly in Shiba Inu coin, there are some major whales out there that literally have hundreds of billions into trillions of Shiba Inu coin. But a lot of people describe it as something different. So when you do those research from like Into the Block describes whale transactions as anything above a $100,000 transaction, meaning you're trading in increments of 10 billion Shiba Inu coin. I think retail whale transactions or retail whale status would be 1 billion Shiba Inu coin. What do you guys think would be whale status there? Let's see. I think about MAGA too early. Bought at 308. You mean on the way down, right, Giovanni? I think it'll be all right. Honorarium! Claro, give us another 5 minutes. Dark Bro, man. Dark Bro, what is the news? Don't take 5 minutes. Don't take 5 minutes to do it. What is the news, though, man? We could look at something else. We could look at Honorarium real quick here. But Honorarium, don't make us wait 5 minutes. Tell us right now. Kombu, thank you very much for 15 months of bro. Kombu saying... Is that how dolphins sound? I'm pretty sure that's how dolphins sound. Kombu, man, thank you very much for that member chat right there. I do absolutely appreciate it. And Dark Bro, thank you. Honorarium, thank you very much as well for this super chat. Do you remember the price range for Shib? The last time Bitcoin was at over 50,000, the Shib dev team ruined that? No. Well, let's think about it. I think it would have had to have been about 2,500 points per coin on Shib. 2.5x gain from where we're at right now. Because the last time that... Dude, okay. Yeah, so now I can remember back there. I think it was about 2,500 points per coin. But, yes, 100% the developer team did ruin that. Why? Let's look at that real quick, Giovanni. The last time that Bitcoin was at these levels was back here December of 2021. Okay? December of 2021. No, weekly. December of 2021. Dude, I mean, I remember this. I remember it perfectly. Between 2,500, you guys can see it here, and 3,500 points per coin. Now, yes, it was dipping back down, and that's a major dip, going from 8,800 points per coin back down to 3,500 points per coin. But it was setting up support at this 3,000 point per coin level. And I remember this period so vividly because it was the first time the ecosystem team had essentially done an Ask Me Anything. And they allowed me to ask some questions on their X space. And it was Queenie. It was Queenie that was doing it. And it was like 9, 10 o'clock at night, man. I remember being in here, sitting right here, waiting my turn. I think December DeMarco had some talk time. Matt Perry, I think, had some talk time as well. And they were talking about Shibarium. They were talking about launching Shibarium. This was at the end of 2021. Okay? So asking some questions to Queenie about the launch of Shibarium when Shiba Inu coin was sitting at essentially 3,000 points per coin. Now, since then, they have literally broken promise after promise. No more questions were allowed to be asked after that point. If you asked any questions, you got blocked. If you said, well, where's Shibarium? You got blocked. Where's the burns? You got blocked. So they did create a huge different narrative that they are in control of everything. It's no longer about community. It's about them and what they want to do. So, yeah, dude, there was a huge shift after that time period when Bitcoin was at 50,000 and Shib was still at 3,000 to 3,500 points per coin. Which means that only if you would have bought in between this 1 month time period, November to December there, those were the only people that were losing on Shiba Inu coin at the time. And everybody was still happy. This was still a dip buying opportunity. And there were 13,000 people, I believe, watching that space. And there was like 1,300 people watching the YouTube live stream that I was doing during that X space. And all of that, dude. I mean, 1,300 people watching that space, or 13,000 watching the X space, Twitter space at the time, and 1,300 people in my live stream. I mean, dude, compared to where we are right now, Lucy can't even get 200 people into a Twitter space, and we can't break 100 in here. So, yeah, there was a major difference since then. Kombu, I see you. Kombu, thank you very much for the mustache. Thank you, Kombu. I see you. Kombu, man, thank you very much for the mustache. Absolutely appreciate you, dude. We even got J-Bones in the chat. What's going on, J-Bones? Well, Dark Bro, we're waiting. I unsubbed from Mad Perry. He was starting to do Levi's activity. Biggable, let me tell you, man, and I will say this from experience, right? Videos right now on YouTube, and it's not just crypto videos. I literally can see it across the board because I get these videos that pop up on my screen all the time, for you on YouTube, that are how to grow your YouTube channel, how to make more money on YouTube, how to do this, what YouTubers are not telling you. Well, dude, I'm telling you, video views are drastically lower right now. They're lower than they were last year. They're lower than they were the year before. And people are turning to shorts to boost their YouTube views. But, dude, shorts don't pay nothing. I mean, unless you're you can look at some analytics for shorts, but dude, you make $1,000 if you can hit like 20 million views on shorts. So a lot of people might feel a little desperate at the moment because video views are down drastically from where they were before, and any sort of a desperate feeling. Desperate times call for desperate measures, right? They're going to want to drive you to click. They're going to want to drive the views. And this is, I mean, dude, and it's not just crypto era. You can go out there and you can see these girls that do manifestation videos and productivity videos, and this is how you live your greatest life. All you got to do is wake up at 4 a.m. and do your yoga, and then write your thing on the wall and say it every morning, and you're going to manifest greatness and stuff like that. Dude, even they're crying on screen right now with makeup rolling down their face, saying that this is hard because this isn't what they expected. So I like Matt Perry. I think the kid's a great guy. So anybody else out there, you may see a little bit of that, just trying to push some views and stuff, because it is very difficult for people who are out there trying to make content right now and things like that. So just to let you know, man, I don't know if I would necessarily unsubscribe to these guys. I think that I think a lot of people might be feeling a squeeze right now. So not a good AMC stock short squeeze. Feeling a little bit of a squeeze. So yes, just to let you guys know that Matt Perry is still a good guy. A lot of people right now seeing lower views than normal, not just in the crypto and stock space. Shib showing some strength right now. That it is, man. Shib testing 1,000 points per coin, which is excellent news. Let's break higher. Shiba Inu coin, please. Mr. Steve Dawson, thank you very much for the super chat. Steve Dawson, I do appreciate all these super chats, man. So Steve, thank you very much for the super chat there. And if you have anything, he says, Steve Dawson. Now I might know who Steve Dawson is. Fredo, I haven't forgotten you. You ran away and you let Don get shot. I would never do it, Steve. And now you're hiding in your crypto cave. You broke my heart, Fredo. I'm coming for you, Michael. Well, you know what? No, you are not, Steve Dawson. This dude changes his name more than I do. I like it. We were always crying. That's what I'm saying, man. These girls are sitting in front of a mirror. They're crying. They got the makeup running down their face. And they're saying, you can do this. You are the greatest. And, I absolutely do believe, self-confidence is very important. And one of the first ways that you can ruin that self-confidence is talking crap about yourself. So you don't have to sit there, I am the greatest. I am the best. Like, you don't have to do that stuff. But absolutely bite your tongue. And this goes for the dudes out there. This goes for the bros out there as well. Your tongue is either speaking life or it's speaking death. Never speak death about yourself. I mean that wholeheartedly. Your tongue can be an absolute poison. So if you are thinking about saying or thinking something bad about yourself, cut that off right now, dude. That is the quickest way to destroy anything. And this is not some sort of a manifestation, you're the best, you can do everything type of a deal, but you can absolutely ruin it. And you'll say stuff about yourself that nobody else would ever dare say or think about you. Don't let that crap happen, man. Don't let that crap happen. You can allow your thoughts and you can allow your tongue to do some absolute poison damage. So don't do that. Seriously. Don't do that. Nobody else is saying it, so you shouldn't think it either. Ken Bro, thank you very much for 5 green names. Who got him? Jeffrey Budek got him. Steve Dawson. Oh, Steve's. I'm coming for you, Fredo. I'm coming for you, Fredo. You little Steve Dawson, man. You got that green name now. Now I know it's you. Night Cow. Moo. Thank you for grabbing a green name. Adam with a green name. NK King with a green name. Yes, man. Loving it right now. Ken Bro, thank you very much for the 5 green names. Hopefully these guys are throwing 5 green names out there. Hoy Bro, having issues with technical difficulties with USDT. I'll update you in the afternoon live stream. Honorarium. Sweet, man. It does sound great. Honorarium, thank you very much. And it's okay. Okay, we did have a nice little pep talk there, and we are 10 minutes over time as opposed to 5 minutes over time. Guys, get your names in the chat right now. Shiba Inu coin breaking out to the upside above 1,000 points per coin again. Shayna, stop crying in front of that mirror. Everybody else, we're going to do some shout outs, and we're going to have a great day, man. We have got Kenbro throwing out 5 green names. Everybody say thank you to Kenbro. Kenbro, man, thank you very much. Kombu, man, have a great one. Roulette Wheel, Jeffrey, Steve Dawson. We got Night Cow, Adam K. King, Kombu, man. All of you guys are having a great day so far. DD214, Bigable, see you later. Honorarium, Nando's Custom Diecast, Moji, Vu Lee. We got Honorarium, Bigable Coke. We got Honorarium, Moji, Frank, Moji, Kombu, Honorarium, Moji, Giovanni, Johnny Quest, Richard, man. Later to you, Jeffrey. Have a great one. Honorarium, Emoji, Kombu, or DD214, Old Rounder, Jeffrey, Mark, Vu, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me. Say it with me. Till the next time. Hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Suzuki! Thank you very much in the super chat. Thank you for holding out a bit, Clay Bros. Absolutely. Suzuki, man, thank you very much for the super chat. And everybody on the way out. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Giovanni. Happy birthday to you. Giovanni, man, happy birthday to you. We'll be singing in the afternoon live stream as well. Shout outs to Vu Lee, Master, Just Jeff, Giovanni, Suzuki, man, thank you very much. Maurice, J-Bones, Giovanni, all of you guys, Kombu, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day. Suzuki, thank you very much for the super chat. Join the Honorarium Discord server for the big news. Guys, make sure to join that Honorarium Discord server. Suzuki wants to tell you something big, and of course, we're going to be dropping it here in the afternoon live stream as well. Suzuki, we better be dropping that news in the afternoon live stream. Suzuki, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Guys, if you want to check out the Honorarium Discord server, see what these guys have to say, make sure to do so. Shoutouts to Kombu, Giovanni, Suzuki, Giovanni, Moji, Giovanni, all of you guys. You know what time it is. You want to say it with me, say it with me. Till the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.